Dear students, today we are going to discuss about how to find the particular integral if RHS of the given differential equation is a polynomial, that is x power k, that is suppose x square plus 2x plus 3, that is a polynomial. So how to solve this one? In this session we have to learn. So yp is equal 1 by f of d into x power k. F of d is resolved into the following factors. We have to remember these formulas: 1 minus d whole power minus 1, that is 1 plus d square plus d cube. 1 plus d whole power minus 1, 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube. Here both are minuses, all are pluses. So in this way we have to remember minus minus, both are minuses, all are plus. Here plus minus, alternatively plus and minuses will come. So let's see one problem. Solve d square plus d plus 1 of y is equal x cube. Given f of d is equal d square plus d plus 1. Auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. M square plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal minus b plus r minus root of d square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus 1 by 2 plus r minus I into root 3 by 2. Yc is equal e power minus x by 2 c1 cos root 3 by 2 into x, c2 sin root 3 by 2 into x. Here real part is minus 1 by 2, imaginary part is root 3 by 2. E power minus x by 2, c1 cos root 3 by 2 into x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2 into x. c1 cos root 3 by 2 into x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2 into x. So that here power of d is 2, here power of d is 1, here power of, there is no d, that means power of d is 0. So this is the least power. So we have to take common least power. Here 1, so no need to common. So write in the first 1 plus d square whole power minus 1. In place of d we have d plus d square. So we have to apply this formula 1 plus d whole power minus 1. So in place of d we have to write d plus d square. So 1 minus d plus d square plus d plus d square whole square minus and so on. So first we have to find the derivatives. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, d square of x cube is 6x, d cube of x cube is 6, d power 4 of x cube is equal to 0. So multiply x cube inside, that is x cube minus dx cube minus d square x cube plus d square x cube, d power 4 x cube plus 2d cube into x cube and so on. So 1 into x cube, that is x cube. D of x cube, derivative of x cube is 3x square. D square of x cube is minus 6x, d square of x cube is plus 6x. D power 4 of x cube is 0. Next 2 into d cube of x cube is 6. So we can substitute, that is x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 6x get cancelled, d power 4 of x cube is 0, 2 into d cube of x cube is 6, remaining all terms are zeros. So d power 4 is 0 means d power 5 is also 0, d power 6 also 0, that's why we are not mentioning here. So the particular integral is x cube minus 3x square plus 2. So y is equal to yc plus yp. Y is equal to e power minus x by 2 c1 cos root 3 by 2 into x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2 into x plus x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Solve d square minus 3d plus 2 of y is equal to x square. Given f of d is equal to d square minus 3d plus 2. Auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0, that is m square minus 3m plus 2. M square minus 2m minus m plus 2. Take m common, m minus 2, minus 1 common, m minus 2. m minus 1 into m minus 2, that is m is equal to 1 comma 2. Yc is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. Yp is equal to 2x square by d square minus 3d plus 2. So take 2 common, 2x square by 2 into 1 plus d square minus 3d by 2. 2 get cancelled. So 1 plus d square minus 3d by 2 whole inverse of x square. D square of x square is equal to x. D square of x square is equal to d cube of x square is equal to 0. So this is 1 plus d whole inverse. Here plus, here minus. Alternatively plus and minuses come. 1 minus d square minus 3d by 2 plus d square minus 3d by 2 whole square by 4 minus and so on. D square of x square 2x. Up to d cube we have to x. D square is 2, d cube is 0. That's why up to d square we have to expand. So multiply x square inside, 1 into x square, d square of x square, d square x square minus 3d x square, d power 4 into x square, 9d square into x square minus 6d cube into x square by 4. So d square of x square is 2 minus 3 into derivative of x square is 2x plus d power 4 is 0 and 9d square is 2, 9 into 2, d cube is 0, minus 6 into 0. So here 2 2's are get cancelled, take 2 common and cancel it. X square minus 1 plus 3x plus 9 by 2, x square plus 3x 9 by 2 minus 1, that is x square plus 3x plus 7 by 2, that is yc plus yp, that is c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus x square plus 3x plus 7 by 2. So here least power is 2, that's why we are taking common 2. So let's see one example. I will give homework problems. Here d square plus d, so here least power is d, so here we have to take common d. So here d cube minus d square minus 6d, here we have to take minus 6d common. After expanding, minus 6d is in the denominator. D means derivative, 1 by d means integration. So after differentiation, finally we have to integrate. Here 1 by d will come, so finally we have to do one time integration. So in this problem, d square, so 1 by d square, so 2 times we have to integrate. After here we have to take 4 common, that becomes 1 plus d square by 4 whole inverse. So we can expand, so in place of d square is there, so d square is also in denominator. So after multiplying this entire, this up to this is the method 1, e power x is the method 1, x cube plus 2x square is the polynomial. So after multiplying this, here yp1 yp2 we have to do. So after multiplying this, so we have to calculate the integral, double integral of 1 by d square we have to do. Here no need to integrate, because in place of, what is quotient of x here? 1. So in place of d, directly we can substitute 1 plus 4, 5. So directly we will get the answer. So like that. So in this problem we have to take least power common. If d is there, that is in the denominator, 1 by d. So that means one time integration we have to do. 1 by d square, 2 times integration we have to do. After differentiating, whatever answer we will get, so that answer we have to integrate. That is the last steps to find yp.